Hello everybody, again from Gemini Eye Clinic. I believe you can see us and hear us, and we are going to start with the last case of life surgery, and this is to be a femtosecond laser, which is a Victus femtosecond laser by Lomb, corneal relaxing incision, corneal arcuate incision. Here you see the plan for the surgery, and here we have the basic data of the patient. We have our 51-year-old man with mixed astigmatism, with a little bit of amblyopia. His uncorrected distal visual acuity is 0.2 and corrected distal visual acuity 0.7. The refraction plus 1.25 with minus 3.75 at 175 degree axis. So the plan is to equalize the uneven curvatures of this cornea with corneal relaxing incisions to get a spherical equivalent to zero, because the spherical equivalent of this refraction is close to zero. And we are going to use arcuate incision on the Victus femtosecond laser at an 8 mm optical zone, and we will plan for two arcs of 75 degree from to 80% of corneal depth at the steep meridian of this cornea. Here is the outline of this treatment at the monitor of the Victus femtosecond laser. So on the left side we see a plan of arcuate incisions, two arcuate incisions at the meridian of 85 degrees, 8 mm optical zone. And on the right hand side of the screen of this laser you see the plan for incisions, incision 1 and incision 2. And you see the diameter, pachymetry at the particular point, depth to 80% of the corneal depth, resulting depth, position and size. So all those parameters are quite safely set for those corneas, and we believe to achieve a really nice two cuts. We can also change the depth of the cuts or the parameters, whatever you want. You can return it, so it's all free planning here. And then as soon as we are happy with that position and size, we accept it and we can approve the treatment. And we go to the next screen confirming us the plan with the patient data, and again we approve that. And here we will to get the OCT picture. We can start to dock the patient. I'm going to give you one more drop to your eye. I'm going to move you under the laser, where will be a bright light, and please keep looking straight into the bright light. Straight into the bright light. And I'm going to touch your eye with this disposable suction ring of Victus femtosecond laser device. So while the patient is looking at the light, I'm just going to touch his eye with this suction ring. It's a soft suction ring with silicone edge. We apply the suction, and then after a while we have the patient interface ready to be attached to the cone of the femtosecond laser. And the next step is to move the patient under the laser, so we can start the docking procedure, and we'll just bring the patient toward the laser and just look straight into the middle, pěkně doprostřed mezi ty světelečka se dívat. And as soon as the eye is coming close to the docking system, we get the OCT image. It's coming close to the interface of the laser, so you see the small distance in between the interface and the cornea, and then we can move the eye up forward and get the contact contact angle of the cornea. I still believe we need a drop to equalize that. So we put one more drop to the interface, and then we come once again with the patient towards the interface to get the best possible contact, and the eye is coming towards the interface of the laser, and we are getting perfect contact this time. Everything is ready, and we can just go on with treatment. So this is an OCT image of the cornea. Here is our treatment plan. We can change all those treatment overlays, but I think we like everything, so we can approve it. And then we get the online image. Here are our incisions. This is the planning for the incisions, so we can edit each of them in a greater detail and have a look at the pachymetry at the particle point. You can change this pachymetry, and we like it. It's a proper place. It's okay. We close it, and we can have a look at the incision at 265 degrees. Get an OCT image with higher magnification. We like this. Everything is okay. So we can just start the procedure itself. We can remove the treatment overlay if we want here and change the illumination of the eye, getting everything focused, and start the laser procedure in a few seconds. So everything is in green, all the indicators. This is the indicator of the vertical pressure, and here we have the indicator side pressure, which is also in a green position. So everything is well, and we can start to perform the treatment. So the patient is just lying down, the foot switch, and we hear the beeps of the laser, and we see the cuts here at the cornea. We see the bubbles in the cornea, and everything is working just great. That's perfect. We can undock the patient. And everything is ready for the second part of the surgery. Did you have any pain? Bolelo to? Tak. Okay, so have a look at directly at the light. And the last step of the surgery is opening the incisions. So pěkně tady tím pravým očkem do světelka se dívá doprostřed levé skříd a pravým. Okay, we are going to just open the eye of this patient and put the drops here. Zkusíte si to levé zavřít a pravým se dívat doprostřed, umíme to, nebo? Okay. And the next step is to opening the incision. So you see this at higher magnification at the screen of the, and the incisions are just self-opening. You see how easy it is to open them? We just look at them and they are open. All perfect. Wonderful. Just, exact shape, everything. So by no means you can achieve a precision like that, the higher illumination, please. And we will just try to demonstrate you the quality of the incision, the highest illumination. And once again we put a drop of anesthetic here, and we will show you and demonstrate the precise arcuate incision. And again, by no means a surgeon can achieve such a high precision by his or her hands. So that's the end of the surgery. Just close your eyes, keep them closed, zavřete oči. And that's it.